Hello, I'm Nalini Mahadevan. I'm the principal attorney at MLO Law LLC, and we practice in the area of immigration and estate planning. And we are located in Clayton, Missouri. We are also licensed in Illinois and Georgia, with two other states coming up soon, and we will announce them as they come along. Today I'm talking about an immigration topic that is dear to my heart. Some things that you need to disclose to your immigration attorney while they're helping you file for an immigration benefit with USCIS or Department of State or the consulate or National Visa Center. So the reason I'm talking about this today is because these four topics seem to come up incessantly in our practice, and I thought that I would give everybody the heads up so they can gather all the information they need in order to be prepared to talk to their immigration attorney. So I've written a few points down that I'd like to discuss with you. Okay, so marriages and divorces. I've seen this quite a bit where clients are married multiple times, 4, 5, 6 times, and then they feel very embarrassed to let us know, and it comes out either in the interview or in some other context. Multiple marriages it's okay. We must disclose each one of them. The other point I'd like to say about marriages and divorces are marriages must end before the next marriage begins. So there must be a period, an interim period of divorce. So marriage, divorce, or you are widowed or get married again, there must be some period of in which the periods of marriage are separate from the divorce and are separate from the subsequent marriage. And it's okay in some cases. People get married to the same spouse again, and that's perfectly fine as long as the interim period, like I said, is discrete, separate marriages, separate divorces. Annulments, declare every annulment that you've had, whether and every death of a spouse as well. Separations too. Next one is children. Declare the location, gender, and identity of every child you've had, whether in wedlock or out of marriage. Doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if they're adopted, doesn't matter if they are stepchildren, doesn't matter if they're biological children. If you claim them as children, please enter them on your application. It's important because first, immigration would like to know who's going to benefit from your status. They'd like to have a biological time clock on that, or even in the biological information of who would be eligible to claim U.S. immigration status through you. Secondly, please don't go to the interview and suddenly declare undisclosed kids. That is basically misrepresentation of your status. It also means that in some cases, especially if it's a family application, then there is an ability to support the child or the spouse or any other relatives that you already are claiming in your household. Immigration would like to know about that. The third thing is traffic and offenses. So people think, oh, I just got a parking ticket. Just declare it. Declare every parking ticket you had. If you don't have the information, write an affidavit saying I don't have the information, but I had paid it. Make some effort to find where the parking tickets are. Misdemeanors, felonies, all need to be declared. Whether there was probation, suspension, if there is any marijuana use. Your medical marijuana may be legal in Missouri, or marijuana use is legal in 38 states, but federal law does not recognize marijuana use, whether it's for medicinal purposes or recreational purposes. And so it's important that if there is marijuana use and you've have had an arrest in the past for that marijuana use, that be declared even if it's nullified at the state level. The fourth thing I'd really like to talk about is entry into the United States. So not everybody has to enter without inspection, but there are some people who drive through the borders and are not inspected, especially on northern border, not inspected, and they just wave through. So, you have to substantiate your entry into the United States, whether it's by land, sea, or air. And also documentation of your entry into the United States. So that's very important. Number of times you've exited and entered, on what status. Those are also very important items. Now, if you like these kinds of videos, please like and subscribe to our channel. You can find it on YouTube, and we would love to hear back from you. If you have suggestions for other topics, do let us know. Very happy to see you. See you in our next video. Thank you very much.